Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Utection glass protector. These instructions apply to all devices, no matter if you have an Apple, a Samsung or any other mobile brand. Today I'm going to be installing the glass protector on a Huawei model, so don't worry if your phone looks a little different from mine. Please be assured that the installation process is the same for all glass protectors. First I'll go through what you receive in the package. As you can see, it comes in a strong cardboard hard case. The design of the packaging may look a little different from this video, but don't worry, it's the same product. And inside you will get the glass protectors, which both have sticky peel-off protectors on them. Inside the cleaning packs, you will get a dry wipe, a wet wipe, a sticky tape that is for removing dust, and also an anti-static cleaning cloth. There is also a liquid that is used after the screen protector is installed. This consists of a special oil mixture which is not dangerous at all, and it's for sealing the edges around the protector. But I will show you at the end of the installation, just don't use them before installing the glass protector. Included is the warranty card, and if you follow the link you can apply for an 18-month extended warranty, which is really great and it only takes a few seconds to complete. I would recommend doing this as my glass protectors from other manufacturers have broken quite easily in the past. Lastly is the happy not happy card, and this just explains what to do if you are happy or if you are not happy with the Utection glass protector. Here it says to contact their support if something went wrong, or to leave a feedback or review if it works out well. When installing the glass protector, it's optional that you might want to turn on the device. This is just to help you align accurately with the screen. You can go into settings to make sure your screen doesn't go to sleep straight away. Changing your screen timeout can usually be found in settings and then display. First we'll use the wet wipe to clean off any oils or smudge marks on the screen. We then use the dry wipe to remove any residue from the wet wipe. Next we will just give it a quick wipe with the anti-static cleaning cloth. Now peel off the blue sticky tape and just pat it over the screen to pick up any last remaining bits of dust. Peel off the protective cover from the glass protector and carefully place it sticky side down onto the screen. Make sure you align the speaker cutouts. For some devices such as the iPhone 7 or the Samsung Galaxy A3, please also use the home buttons for alignment. We then use the anti-static cloth to remove any bubbles between the protector and the screen. You might notice a white line around the edges of the display. This is due to the fact that the actual display is curved, and this is where the Utection liquid comes into play. Once you've removed all the air bubbles, you can then apply the oil mixture around the edges. To do so, simply cut off the narrower end of the container and slowly apply around the edges of the protector. One container provides enough for one glass protector installation. The oil is not dangerous at all, it does not damage your device or provide any harm to you. Even if you don't see much of a white line, we still recommend doing it. It seals the edges nicely and prevents the display from dust and other particles. Lastly, wipe away any remaining oil and your screen protector is now good to go. Remember to sign up for the extended warranty and feel free to leave a review or feedback if you are happy with the purchase.